Morning, just a few things we've done to this Transit. He's had a remote mirror closure and remote mirror opening. He's also had, not done by me, but we do them, the high key rep lock. He's had Ghost immobiliser, which, as you may or may not know, shuts the vehicle down every time you start the vehicle. So foot on the clutch, dead. Foot's down, that's dead. What I need to do is enter a pin code, which I won't show you, but I'll put a 5-digit pin into this. Sorry, turn the machine on first, sorry. I'll put a 5-digit pin into this vehicle. When you enter the pin, you'll see a 2 indicator flash, and that lets you then start the vehicle. It's an auto-arming immobiliser. There's no visible signs on the dashboard that it's immobilised by Ghost. So even with the original key, you still can't start the vehicle. Auto arms in 3 seconds on a Ford. Turn the ignition off. 2, 3, 4. Clutch down. Dead. So to disable it, ignition on. 5-digit pin. 2, 3, 4, 5. You can put up to I think 20 digits. There you go. 2 flashes. Pins entered. Foot on clutch. Start. You can also enter the vehicle into a service mode. If you're going for a dealer service, you can put the service button, press it 5 times, it'll put it in service mode. On this vehicle it's aircon. You have to have already entered the pin and started the vehicle for it to work. It won't just work, obviously, without knowing the pin. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You should get a confirmation 5 flashes on the dash. 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's now in service mode. You can hand the vehicle over to your mechanic or valet or whatever, and it won't arm. So 3 over 4 seconds. So now the vehicle is back into normal mode. So starts as usual. When you pick the vehicle up, just put your pin back in. 2, 3, 4, 5. And that will put it back into normal mode. So you're back into normal mode now. It will also disarm the service mode if you drive the vehicle for, I think it's either 3 or 15 minutes over 30 miles an hour. So on the journey home from the service, you should have the Ghost rearmed again. There you go, remote mirror closure. I'll show you this because I like this. And unlock again. Nice xenon headlights. So what else did we do? We also fitted deadlocks on the rear, because we'd already had the rep lock fitted by somebody else. So we've got the front open in the rear, so the rear's open. These are the latest Hookbolts by Lots of Bands, a re-engineered version, slightly bigger. A lot smoother, very easy to operate, and that fires into an engineered blank on the near side barn door with a hook, so the actual bolt will fire into that. So shut, lock, remove, and there's 0 movement there, 0 movement, so you can't get any tools in. Show you the side door as well. It's high position on this, so engage the lock. Cool. It's moved about 1 mil, but you're not getting that open. It's going to be jammed now. There you go. It's released. So that flies into a aperture we cut into the C-pillar. So it's a nice, clean, smooth cut. And the lock itself is a nice, clean, smooth finish. These new hook bolts are a lot better. So yeah, that's it. What's he had again? He's had mirror closure, Ghost, hook locks on the side and rear, and oh yeah, loom guards. These are a aftermarket product which stops people slicing down this area. So it's protected all the way down to there. And that fits inside the panel between, it's bolted into the this T40 here. There's a 10mm bolt at the back. So nice, simple, effective protection. So yeah, that's vehicle fit, based in the West Midlands. 07900 60 50 40. Cheers. Mirrors once again. There you go. Ta-da.